Okay, let's talk about family portraits. And not at weddings this time, I mean your classic family sessions. Here's the honest truth. A lot of people think family photos are torture. Parents dread them, kids melt down, and even photographers can feel like, why do I do this to myself? But it doesn't have to be that way. With the right approach, family portraits can actually be fun. So, today I'm sharing my best tips for making family sessions stress-free, authentic, and, dare I say, actually enjoyable. Tip 1, set expectations. The number one thing that helps, communication. Set expectations. I tell parents up front, it's okay if it feels a little chaotic at the beginning of the day when you're getting ready and you're getting everything in the car. That's understandable. You're in charge of humans. That's hard. I've got you. When you come here, it's gonna be so much easier. And here's something really important. Parents don't need to act like circus clowns to get their kids to smile. Honestly, that can be overwhelming and cause sensory overload, especially when multiple family members are standing behind me making loud noises. What helps most is keeping the energy chill. When parents are calm, kids pick up on it and are more likely to relax into genuine smiles. Of course, I know that the beginning part of the day can be not calm for parents. Loading up the car, making sure everybody looks good, making sure the matching outfits are on and there's no food crusted to them. It can be a lot. So the important thing is to remind parents that once you start your session, to be chill, to be relaxed, even if they need to dig deep to find that energy. Tip 2, make it fun. Family sessions should feel more like playtime than picture time, especially with little kids. Yes, I'll always get a few everyone smile at the camera shots and posed shots, but then I encourage families to run, hug, interact naturally, dance. And here's a pro move, play music. Play music the kids love. Bring comfort objects, favorite toys or loveys, and don't be afraid to include them in the photos. That stuffed animal or toy car, it's part of their childhood. And documenting it adds to the authenticity of the story you're telling. Tip 3, work fast, but don't rush. Kids have a golden window of about 10 minutes before their patience runs thin. That doesn't mean you have to rush. It just means you need to be efficient. I always start with the most important combinations first. Whole family, parents with kids, siblings, etc. So those are in the bag early. Then once the essentials are done, we loosen up and play. Efficiency creates freedom. You're not scrambling for must-have shots at the end because you already got them. Tip 4, play games. Guiding is great, but games make magic. Have parents play Ring Around the Rosie, swing their kids between them, race towards the camera, or whisper something silly in each other's ears. These kinds of playful prompts get kids engaged, parents laughing, and the photos look natural instead of stiff. Tip 5, end on a high note. Here's my favorite trick. End the session with something special. Talk with the parents beforehand and see if it's okay to give a little treat, like a candy. If not, have alternatives ready. Stickers, temporary tattoos, a coloring book with crayons. Any tiny gesture goes a long way. The kids leave smiling. They associate you with fun. And next time they see you, they're excited. That kind of rapport keeps families coming back. Bonus round, the design session. Here's one more tip for after the shoot. Schedule a design session with the parents. Show them the best ways to print and display their images, framed wall art, gallery collections, or my personal favorite, family albums. When you walk them through the possibilities, not only do they value the session more, but you increase your sales and create products they'll treasure for years. So, to recap, set expectations, chill energy beats chaos every time, make it fun. Music, toys, comfort objects are welcome. Work efficiently, not rushed. Play games to keep energy natural. End on a high note with a treat or a surprise. And don't forget the bonus, show families how to design albums and prints after the fact. Family sessions don't have to be miserable. With a little prep, creativity, and playfulness, they can become something families actually look forward to. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you'd like to go deeper, there's a link in the description where you can book a coaching call with me or check out my digital courses for photographers.